everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, I printed a low poly Yoshi that has issues.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
Overall, this is a cool looking model, but one of his issues is that he has a big fat head and he can't stand up. Another issue was discovered during the removal of the supports. Here, let me show you. I will now remove the supports. You gotta be careful to not lose anything on the main model. There we go. Die supports. It kind of broke, I don't know when. Maybe taking the supports off or while it was printing. I'm thinking the foot is gonna come off with the supports. Yep. It was actually a printing problem and not a supports issue. Here, let me show you. It made the top layer of the foot and it was just connecting with that tiny little hole. I super glued the foot back on to make the model complete. I printed this in AIO Robotics PLA bright green, one of my dad's favorite AIO colors. This was printed with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height on the Prusa MK2S. I fixed him. He stands up now. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on.
What was that? What was that little?
That's gonna cause nightmares to everyone.
Yeah, if it makes the cut.
Hey everyone, so what kind of pants does Super Mario wear? Denim, denim, denim. Denim, denim, denim.